Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith, the Smith and the Black channel here at Ticker Talker, and we got exhaustion risk still, SPY, just drifting into the highs. And so what we got here is a whole lot of things doing a whole lot of nothing. We're finishing off the month. SPY right on the highs. You're going to have a ton of inside weeks, and so that'll set up for next week's shortened week due to the 4th of July holiday here in the United States. So if you go to the weekly, it's just creepy crawly, and if you go that monthly, you can blow that up for you a little bit better. The slow Momo hammer, but into the highs she goes, is what it is. If we go to QQQ, finishing off with the 222 monther and week here, just going into the highs, so exhaustion risk. Just kind of stalls out here the last few days, and so we've had a lot of real sparse days in here, and makes it a little tougher, but end of the month coming, new quarter coming, all that kind of good stuff. Apple, stuck, tries to go outside of the month, or go inside and up on the month. 2 months pattern stuck in here, and you can see if these 2 months you'd have 3 month inside pattern. So Apple just did a holding pattern doing all sorts of nothing. If we go to small cappers, and that's still RevStrat month, they got a little bit more room, still hasn't taken out the highs, and once again just the creepy crawly and then stuck. So let's see if that stayed inside week or not. Looks like not quite. Nope. So still RevStrat month to the upside, just, is what it is. TLT inside week for TLT, and that could reconfirm to the upside if you can get that RevStrat going. That would be an inside week and RevStrat month to the upside. VXX just doing the slow bleed out like it does. Go to the Dow Jones Diamonds here, a little bit worse, but on your week, just misses inside week, so it's just stuck in here as well. For the month coming up, we want to see how this closes out, and then you get the 222 back to the highs. So a lot of those weeklies here, you can stay inside on the week for Honeywell, like so. You've got Procter, you can watch that with XLP, and the Dow mini mines, like so, also inside weaker. So a ton of inside week, and if mini mines breaks to the downside, you get that rebreak here. You're still below last month's lows. And you got an inside week. If it'd be nice to get the downside with measured move, but we'll see. If we go to the trannies, transport's handily inside week, and that's going to be a bunch of airlines going inside week. Delta, United, the gang, American, not doing much, and then you got the rails, Norfolk Southern, Union Pac. So a whole bunch of inside weeks got to break. Most of these things are towards the highs, so it's easier to have a lot of these breaks to the highs. XLU outside week, then 2 down, so it could go 322 back to the upside or reconfirm the inside month and down XLU. We go to FAS, big outside monther, and inside weakers for a ton of things in financials, and here's the XLF and JP Morgan and Bank of America and all the usual suspects, but you can see they're all closer to taking out the highs. Goldman Sachs, also an inside month. KIE and the insurers, also a ton of insurance names, all inside week, so going to wait for all that to break too. XME gives us the inside week with gold, inside week, and letter X, and CLF, and Alcoa. So just a ton of inside weeks, and that's why things dry up a little bit the way they have. XRT retail going towards the highs, trying to, because we know that's GameStop. A lot of GameStop potential RevStrat week if they want to bring this back up at a nice push on the close, but we'll see. If we go to Walmart inside week. Costco, a little better, trying to get out of this stuff and going into the highs, so we'll see. It's exhaustion risk by going to the highs. If we go to Target on the week, the 222 exhaustion risk is going more highs, and you can see the exhaustion is just, not only that they're going to reverse, but that they're going to dry up, and that's kind of what we've been seeing. If we go to IBB, trying to finish off this. RevStrat month, still good, and you're going to see like ALNY, which things we know, ALNY and RevStrat month. Trying to take this out inside Momo Hammer week, like so, and we know ILMN here, also the RevStrat month, still working, just running out of month. If you go to AXSM, nice inside month to the upside, back through all this previous range, so this thing might not be done yet. Hopefully we can get some more out of it. You can see this weekly like so. Here coming up more through this stuff, so you got some more room on that hopefully. If we go to GILD, just more inside weakers, that's a 3-1er. If we go to the XLE here, XLE just misses inside weak. OIH is an inside week, and that's going to be a whole bunch of stuff. Chevron inside week. If we go to Exxon, what are you doing, buddy? Exxon looks like not quite, but you get the idea here. Nope, not quite. If we go to FANG, we know is inside month and up, and here, like so. And if you go to the weeklies, you'll see your Slobs and your Halliburtons and all that kind of stuff all inside week with Helmerich Payne, also in the OIH inside week. Also refiners, MPC, Valero, just a ton of inside weeks. That's just how it is. If we go to XLK, and XLK, we know that's going to be your Microsoft and Apple's stuck, so it's been the Microsoft inside month and up, hauling that baby up, just kind of stalling out though. SMH here, still 222, and just kind of stuck in here now on the weekly. Didn't quite make it to an outside week, so a little bit closer to that, but still a little stuck. Facebook. And Facebook just exhaustion risk by going into the highs, and Amazon backing off, went into the inside month. And so just stuck, all this stuck in here. So Amazon's showing a little bit more weakness than the overall market. And you can see this closer to a 2-2 reversal week downside. Netflix, and Netflix here in the month, still 2-2 month slightly higher, and daily tries right to the tick-tock ticky. If we go to Google, and Google just backs off a little bit, exhaustion risk still inside month to the upside for this week. If we go to NVIDIA just exhaustion risk and stalling out up into here. As you can see, like a lot of things going into the highs and then just stall. And if we go to Autodesk had the nice RevStrat week last week, and that sets up potential inside month, and we'll see how that closes out. Oracle, just the inside week gang, if you inside week for Oracle, Cisco, Texas Instruments. You've got Roku still RevStrat month. Here you've got TWLO still RevStrat month and all that kind of stuff we've been talking about. Just a few more. If we go to BCO, this could be potentially setting up the pivot machine gun RevStrat month or for next month. We'll see how that closes this week out though. DraftKings, going to be an inside month, and starting off this week as an inside week, so we'll see how that comes along. Workhorse, Shenaniganers, stays inside week, and Teslar's here, popping through this weekly range here, but as of right now, Tesla would still be inside month, so we'll see how that closes out. So exhaustion of the quarter and the month this week, so, and then a short week next week. So we're pretty much staying on a lot of story stocks. As you can see, a lot of things gotten stuck in these inside weeks. All right, it's going to do it for today. I'm Rob Smith, the Smith Black Channel here at Ticker Tiger. The weekend